What's going on, everybody? This is Alfred here with another video. Just want to upload this video of my new Dewalt battery and impact wrench I picked up at Home Depot, ordered online 2 days ago. Today is January 22nd, Thursday. Ordered this online on Tuesday and came today. So I want to kind of do a little unboxing. I do some light duty work here at the home, nothing too major, and I was looking for impact wrench. Going through YouTube, looking at Milwaukee stuff, Dewalt, some Harbor Freight stuff, all sorts of different types of makes and models. But I'm already into the Dewalt tools, battery system, so I was considering Milwaukee, but I think for me, Dewalt was the way to go. What I actually picked up was this Dewalt impact wrench. It's the model DCF921B. This one in particular, it's very compact. It's considered like, I guess, a stubby. It has a lot of torque, a lot of impressive numbers, up to 300 pounds of tightening torque, 450 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. It has timber screws, precision wrench. It's pretty compact. The 20-volt system, which is what I already have with my other impact gun and my other other tools that I have. So nothing too much for this. Again, model number DCF921B. Here it is. And then also I picked up this battery and charger kit. So I bought this as part of like a buy one get one free. So I bought the battery pack kit. It comes with, here's the model number, DCB2252C. The kit comes with the charger. It comes with a 5 milliamp or 5 amp 20 volt battery, also as a 2 amp volt battery. So the price for this one on sale was $189.99, and then with that you get the free impact wrench. So let me take them out of the box real quick so you can kind of see the size comparison of the batteries and the impact wrench. All right, so now that everything is unboxed out of the box, here's what you get. You get your Dewalt charger for the 20 volt and the 12 volt combo. Here's the battery charge indicator. Pretty simple charger. You also get, again, as I showed in the box, the 2 amp Dewalt 20 volt charge battery. And also what's nice, it comes with the Dewalt 5 amp 20 volt battery as well. Comes with the usual paperwork, warranty information, stuff like that. I won't get into that too much. Here's the instruction manual. Now moving on to the Dewalt stubby. Here it is right here. As you can see, it is very compact. From front to back, it's pretty little. I mean, I'm surprised of how it is. Here is your screws, your light indicator, your light intensity, the speed 1 and 2, max power for screws and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna go through too much into this, but like the rubberized piece is really well made. Also comes with your belt clip there. But yeah, just want to give you guys a quick look at the DCF921 compact impact wrench and this combo kit. Thank y'all.